Hi there, it's Janice Thomson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I live and work in Scotland, and today I'm doing another card, the last card I think so, from this beautiful Calm and Bright kit. I think I might buy another of these kits and sit and make all of them up to be some of the cards that I send out from Peter and myself. So this time it's the one with the little house. So the picture instructions for it are just on the back of this. So let's just put everything else out of the way and see if we can make this one up. So I'm just having I've got a drink beside me because when I was filming the last card I was sniffly and coffee. Bring the wee dots to my left hand side and that way I'll remember them. So do watch these in order. 32, 33 and 34 I think on the 100 cards series. Now, so as in the last two, let's find all our bits and do the stamping. So that's the ink. I think we've got 4 little bits of stamping, so not a lot, but hopefully I've got all the correct pieces here. So again, that's it, yeah. I'm just checking in the envelope. So I have a nice layer here, and again it's got a sort of dotted, it's almost like little crosses all the way around. So it just defines the edge very calmly and nicely, which is what we're after. So that will be sit on the card. So we'll put the card base over there while we sort all this bits and pieces. So first of all, on this, oh, so this is going to be landscape. So it's going to go like that. So I do have to stamp onto this right away with the stars. And then we're going to do a bit of wrapping again with the twine. So alright, and we're putting an extra star in as well. Okay, so it's telling me to do that one up here in the top half. And then I think twice down here, down this part of the card. And then again. And then this time the little tiny star that I used in error yesterday on the last card. Well, it might be yesterday when you watch. And it just seems to want a wee extra one about there. For some reason. There we go. It's just, I think it's a design detail here. Right, so that's that. I'm putting all the stamps onto one block so that I will clean them. I'm just going to have another drink. Okay, now I think I need my long block because I now have to do this. From our house to yours and the Merry Christmas. So I've got this. A very, very pale, yeah, it's a pale green or a pale blue. I don't know in this bright light. So that's the from our house to yours goes on there. So let's just do that. I think it's more to this end because the hollies and the decorations are going on the other end. So we'll put these from our house to yours there, and then we need the Merry Christmas, so we'll take that one off, and the Merry Christmas goes on this one, but I think towards the top of it. Just need to take care to get it towards the top of that part. And then one little stamping, which is the other star, the star that went on the bauble this time, I think, is going on this little tag. So where did I lay the stamps? There we go. So yeah. Oh, it's a tinier stamp. That's really small. Oh well, let's just use it. It is tiny, but it's detail, isn't it? Haha. Right. So that's the stamping. So now this bit gets glued to the bottom of there. Ooh. it's dried a bit skewiff. It doesn't, it seems to have dried quite quickly. So we'll just leave that as a little artistic detail. Right. I need to find another of these little holly leaves. I seem to only have one here. Got one. It's fallen down. There we go. Right. And I need two of these sparkly things. So now we need to wrap some twine around the layer. And it's getting tied on the back this time. So one, oops, two, oh, I did that bit, but maybe did that a bit tight, but yeah, that's okay. Right, snips. So we've got that bit, and then I think I pop this on next. Now Oh, that needs to be under, so we need to, I think, pull this down just a bit. Get this down. Right, now we're going to pop that on there with dimensionals. There's another bit needing used up, so let's just use these bits up. Now it's suggesting that that is going to be, but I can tuck that under anyway once this is on, because I've not put dimensionals too far along. I want to come. Right. And we've got the little house that goes there. So let's just put a little dab of, oh, it's got a dimensional. Right, so let's see where we can pop. This one dimensional. It just seems to need one. Oh well. And I just these little bits now. Let's close that ink because I just realised it was still open. We don't want a disaster here. Okay, so I'm just going to use the glue, kind of follow the picture with what they're doing is just having a bit of foliage here. Now, some holly. And wee dots to be the holly berries. Oh, and we've got the wee little tag as well. We'll pop a wee dimensional on there. Take the back off. Just going to pop that in there. Again, I've not done the bow, but obviously if you want to tie a bow with the twine and pop that on there. And I'm just going to pop these to signify holly berries. And there we have. That is the final card. So there's 3 of each design in the kit. Oh, do you know what I've not done? I've not put it on the card base. Okay, right, I'm digging in here for more dimensionals. But this time I'm just... See, I thought it was done and I wasn't. I hadn't even... Was anyone shouting at me there? I always like to put some over the twine, and then that just helps to keep that on the card. Now, oh, we have a hair attached. Very good. It's because it's got glue on the end as well. Oh, it didn't lift it. Come on, you were meant to be lifting. Do what you're supposed to be doing. And now the hair's attached itself to my finger, which is, or my thumb actually, which is also glued up. Come on. Right, I need to try and get this straight because there you, that's better, isn't it? I just wanted to tuck the house under just a little bit. That's it. So there we have the 3rd card from the kit finally. Thank you so much for watching and all your support. And yeah, I hope you like it. Who's going to pop this in their basket? It's so pretty. So thank you very, very much. And I'll see you on the next one. Ouch.